This is the illustrious Garia city cart. These are now owned by Club Car brand. And if you're wondering how to open the hood on it, make sure you turn on the ignition key, turn it to the on position. And then underneath here, there's a button right there, because it's electric release on the hood. Lift her up, and there's your windshield washer fluid, fuse box, owner's manual, your awesome Alpine subwoofer box. That is that. This thing is pretty amazing, I have to say. You're talking almost $50,000 for this little city cart, 6-passenger. Yeah, pretty impressive. Look at the dash there. Got window defogger, windshield wiper, light control, air vent control, little storage bin. Yeah, very impressive to say the least. Oh, sunroof to allow airflow to come in the top. Yeah, it's got the self-dimming rearview mirror, just like most modern cars. Storage bins. Check out our channel. We got all kinds of golf cart related videos, working on stuff, fixing stuff, cars, trucks, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motorcycles, working around the house. And if our video helped you out in any way, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.